Hello there, my friends. So I bought this multi-port adapter off of Amazon, and I'm going to show it to you. This is for your car. You know how your car has that 12-volt thing that used to be a cigarette lighter way back in the day? If anybody's old enough to know what that means, let me know. This is like a two-way adhesive Velcro, I think, to mount it. Yep. Well, that's cool. This has a little bit of a cord on it, which is nice. So there you go, 3 ports, and also you got 2 USBs. I think they give you like extra fuses too. Huh. That must have been an issue, otherwise they wouldn't do it. On-off switches for each one of the different ports. So if you have something that stays on all the time, right? Like if you have, see, mine goes off with the ignition, but some of them stay on. So if you have a car that stays on all the time, you can switch your these things off. Plus, it's also another line of defense if you're doing what I'm doing, and I'm using like a seat warmer, plugging one of these into a seat warmer. One of these is for my dash cam, and one of them's for my steering wheel, heated steering wheel cover, which comes soon as well. So let's stretch this out. I'm going to measure this, tell you how long this cord stretches. So it looks like it's 6 inches. Got like a 3-foot cord here. Also, there's a USB on the back here, so when you plug this thing in, and I wonder if it lights up. I don't know. All right, cool. So that's what it looks like coming out of the box. That's your basic unboxing for this. I'll put the link in the description below. Joy Room, 1 adapter, 1 port to 3 ports. It's actually 1 port to 5 ports if you count this, or maybe 6, 7 if you count that. All right, I hope you guys have a great day out there. Leave some comments. Tell me what you're using yours for. I appreciate you guys. 15,000 plus subscribers and growing. Thank you very much. Have a great day.